Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to scan invoices in Zoho Books. This feature is incredibly useful for automating data entry and keeping your financial records organized without manually typing everything in. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to zoho.com/books, then log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your financial tools are organized. Now, look to the left sidebar and click on the Documents tab. This is where all your scanning and document management features live. When the Documents page opens, take a moment to scroll down to the bottom part of the screen. Here you'll find a helpful overview of the key features available to you, including Autoscan, Mail-in, Convert, and Organize. These tools give you different ways to handle invoices and receipts, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with what each one does before moving forward. Before you start uploading files, there's an important step you shouldn't skip. Look at the top right corner of the screen to check how many document scans you have left in your plan. This is a paid feature, so knowing your available scans ensures you won't run into limits mid-workflow. Once you've confirmed you have scans available, it's time to upload the invoice you want to scan. Click on Choose Files to upload and you'll be given two options. Select a file from your desktop or pull it from a cloud storage service. Choose whichever method works best for your setup and upload your invoice file. After the scan processes, your document will appear in the Files tab. This is where things get interesting. On the right side of your scanned document, you'll see an option labeled Add To with a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that drop-down to reveal where you can associate this file within your Zoho Books system. From the drop-down menu, look for the category that best fits your needs. For invoices, you'll typically want to select Invoices, but you can also choose Sales, Documents, or Banking depending on how you organize your records. Once you select the appropriate option, Zoho Books will automatically file your scanned invoice under that section, making it easy to retrieve and reference later. And that's it. You've successfully scanned and organized an invoice in Zoho Books, saving yourself time and reducing manual data entry errors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.